On screen, title card. Narrator. In this quick 60-second guide, you'll see exactly where to click to leave a YouTube Premium family group. On screen, simple sketch of a family group icon. Narrator. You can leave a family group yourself. No need to contact support. On screen, desktop and phone doodles. Narrator. You'll use your Google account settings, not just the YouTube app. On screen, big text. Before you start, narrator. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account that's in the family. On screen, zoom on browser address bar. Narrator. On a computer, open a browser and go to your Google account homepage. On screen text. Now let's leave the group. Narrator. From here, we'll jump into the exact menus you need to leave the family group. On screen, Google account sidebar. Narrator. Step 1. In Google account, click the Payments and Subscriptions tab on the left menu. On screen, Payments and Subscriptions page. Narrator. Step 2. In the top area, choose Subscriptions to see your active plans. On screen, Subscription list with YouTube Premium row. Narrator. Step 3. Find YouTube Premium in the list and click it to open details. On screen, Subscription details with family info. Narrator. Step 4. In the details, look for Family Sharing or Family Group and choose Leave Family Group or similar. On screen, confirmation pop-up. Narrator. Step 5. A confirmation window appears. Read it, then click Leave to confirm. On screen, simple success checkmark and short recap list. Narrator. You're out of the family group. Remember, open Google account, go to Payments and Subscriptions. Choose your YouTube Premium plan, then tap Leave Family Group.